Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Academy. To solve this problem in the first step, we can write x as 4x minus 3 times x. Then we can factor out minus 1 from this term, and we get minus 3x plus 1. Then we can divide 4x by 4x, and we're going to get 1. We can move a plus 1 in here, and we get 3 times x in here and in here and in here. So we can use a change variable method, and we can put a radical of 3x plus 1 as t. As you can see, we have 3 times x plus 1. So we need to raise both sides of this equation to the power of 2, and we're going to get 3 times x plus 1 equals t squared. As you can see, we have x, so we need to find x from this equation on base of t. We move a plus 1 to a right hand side. 3 times x equals t squared minus 1, and by dividing both sides by 3, we're going to get x equals t squared minus 1 over 3. Now we can replace 3 times x plus 1 by t squared, radical of 3 times x plus 1 by t, and x by t squared minus 1 over 3. Now we get an equation on base of t. If we multiply t squared minus 1 by 4, then multiplying the numerator and the denominator of this fraction by 3, we're going to get 3 times t squared over 4 times t squared minus 4. Now we can multiply both sides of this equation by 4 times t squared minus 4. And we're going to get this equation. We suppose t is greater than 0, and we can divide in this equation by t squared. So we're going to get 4 times t squared minus 4 times t minus 11 plus 4 times 1 over t plus 4 times 1 over t squared equals 0. This equation can be written as 4 times t squared plus 1 over t squared minus 4 times t minus 1 over t minus 11 equals 0. Once again, we can use change variable method, and we put t minus 1 over t as m, and we raise both sides to the power of 2, and we're going to get t squared plus 1 over t squared minus t equals m squared. So t squared plus 1 over t squared equals m squared plus 2. And we replace t squared plus 1 over t squared by m squared plus 2 and t minus 1 over t by m. And we're going to get a quadratic equation on base of m. 8 minus 11 equals minus 3. If we calculate the discriminant of this quadratic equation, we get the discriminant is 8, and m has two values. M equals 3 over 2 or minus 1 over 2. Now we need to use this equation, t minus 1 over t equals m, and we write t minus 1 over t equals 3 over 2 or t minus 1 over t equals minus 1 over 2. We can multiply the both sides of these two equations by 2 times t, and we're going to get two quadratic equations. by solving these two equations, from this equation we're going to get t equals 2, and from this equation we're going to get t equals radical of 17 minus 1 over 4. Now we need to replace t by these two values in this equation. If we replace t by 2, we're going to get x equals 4 minus 1 over 3, or 1. And we're going to get x equals 1. And if we replace t by this fraction, we're going to get x, it becomes 1 minus radical of 17 over 24.